Hey, welcome to Cfmoto Zforce. It's Roland. It's a beautiful March 21st, and I just finished washing the Cfmoto Zforce. On the weekend, I went to Toronto. I went to the Toronto Sportsman Show. I saw a bunch of Cfmoto product. I saw Segway products, saw Argo products. I didn't even know Argo made an ATV. I can't believe I didn't know that. Anyways, I'm getting pretty excited about spring. The sun is out, the snow is leaving, and I pulled my power washer out today to wash the Zforce. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to remove the snowplow mount, and I'm also going to put my long winch cable on here. I have a shorter synthetic rope winch cable on here right now, just for plowing snow. So I'm going to put my steel cable back on until I get a longer synthetic rope, and just in case I get stuck this summer. I have a feeling I might. You guys probably know how to change your cables and remove your snowplow mounts. You know, you don't want your snowplow mount on here because you'd be banging off rocks and stumps and stuff. You may damage your plow mount. I don't think it would, but I don't even want to scratch it. So I'm going to take it off. It doesn't need to be there. It's very easy to do. A couple of U-bolts and then a couple bolts up here behind the fair lead. And I just wanted to keep in touch with everybody because we're in that kind of season right now where we're almost ready to go riding. Can't really get out there without getting too dirty. And I'm just going to let it dry up a bit more because the trails are really wet and swampy. So I just wanted to keep in touch with you guys, throw out a quick video, and this is what I'm up to. So anyways, here's my KFI snowplow. There's really no winter maintenance to do to it, really. I'm going to prop it up, put it on some pieces of wood so it doesn't mark my floor too much. But even over here, you really don't even have to lubricate anything. Like on my Click and Go 2 plow, I always lubricate the swivel and that. This one looks really good. I don't think I'll have to do anything to it. Just put it away, stand it up, and get it out of my way. But it's been a really, really good plow, and I'm glad I bought it because it can move a lot of snow in a lot of hurry because that thing is 72 inches. And the Zforce had no trouble, except for one time we had almost 2 feet of snow. And I didn't want to burn out the drive belt on the Zforce, so I did not finish the plowing. I just did one strip up and down the driveway, and I said, no, I'm just going to put it away. And I had a guy come over with his truck and do the plow, and I thought that would be a lot cheaper to pay someone to do it than burn out the drive belt on our Zforce. Okay, I got the snowplow mount off of the Zforce, and well, this is the way it sat, like this. But I guess I hit a few things with it. You can see the rust here where it's been banged up. But that's going to happen when you get out riding, but everything else looks pretty darn good. So I put a new KFI winch strap on here, and I took the Cfmoto one off just because it's torn. It's probably going to come off eventually. They actually sent me a couple of these. They reached out to me and they asked me what my address was and my t-shirt size because they wanted to send me a swag bag for the videos I did on snow plowing with the KFI plow system. So I gave it to them, and I was expecting a t-shirt and maybe things like this. They sent me this swag bag. It had a t-shirt, it had a hoodie, it had a hat, and a bunch of stickers, koozies, tumbler, I guess you would call it, so you can carry your beer can or your pop can in it, and a few other things. It's pretty cool. It was awful nice of them to reach out and do that sort of thing. So there we go, guys. It looks pretty good without the plow mount on it. And I got my steel winch cable on now. Kind of getting closer to riding time, so I'm getting ready. But like I said, I will be switching over to a synthetic winch cable very soon. So I'll be doing some more work to the Zforce coming up real soon. I'm looking for a back windshield. That's my next thing I want to get for it. And I would like to get bigger wheels and tires for it. We'll see what happens and we'll go from there. Funny story, my dad's neighbor, his father bought a Zforce. He just bought a 2022 Zforce and he's 82 years old. Isn't that cool? A man that age is still able to get out and enjoy himself on a side-by-side. And apparently he puts a lot of miles on his machines. So I thought that was pretty cool to hear. I hope I see him out on the trails this year. Another thing is I want to get some stickers made up, the Cfmoto Zforce stickers. I want to get them made up, and if anybody wants one, I can send you one. I'll let you know when I have those on hand. So anyways, just wanted to keep in touch with you guys. Maybe we'll do a live soon in a week or less. And it was great getting caught up with you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up for me, guys. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next video.